Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make strawberry sorbet float. And for the ingredients, we need strawberry sorbet, club soda, and maybe simple syrup. If you use a flavored soda, then you don't really need the simple syrup. Okay, let's make the float. First, we'll place a strawberry sorbet into a tall glass. Because I'm using a club soda that is not flavored, I'm gonna add some simple syrup to sweeten the drink. Then we'll pour in our club soda. Now give everything a good stir and enjoy a refreshing drink. And there you have it, a super simple strawberry sorbet float which is perfect for summertime. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up so I know you like this too, and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching and take care.